Hello again, and welcome back to Silverbear's DotNetNuke training videos. Okay, in the previous video we created our page, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add content to that page. Okay, so let's click on that page here, the page that we created earlier. And let's toggle to edit mode. Now, essentially what happens is each module that you have on a page has its own menu. Now, you create a page, it's going to default a module in on that page. Now, to access the module's menu, if you can just about make out, there's a sort of very faded manage button here. If we actually hover over that, that gives us access to the module's settings content here. So this is where we can click on this option here to actually add some content. We can also access the module's settings, and we can move the module around various panes on the page. But let's start with a blank canvas. So let's actually delete this default module out. So here we've got our page, we've got our blank canvas here, and we're going to start again. So let's click on modules here on the administrator toolbar at the top here. Let's add a new module. So we're just going to add a default HTML module here. Now, as you can see, if we toggle onto all categories here, just as an aside here, I can show you that DotNetNuke has several out-of-the-box modules that you can choose from if you want to insert them onto your page. But we're just going to, for the purposes of this video, we're just going to have a look at inserting just a default HTML standard module. Let's give it a name. Welcome. The next option we got here is visibility. So this essentially, if we choose same as page, this allows all the users to view the module. If we scroll down and select page editors only, that allows the administrators of the website visibility. Let's just keep it on same as page. And now the module location. So this allows you to place the module into any one of the panes that you have available. If you remember, we toggled to layout mode so that we could see this sort of wireframe view of how the modules can be laid across the page. Well, these are all the panes that you can insert your module into. Let's just keep it in the content pane here, and I'll stick it on the top there of the content pane. Okay, and now we're just going to simply add that module. So here we go. This is our module here. We called it welcome. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to put some content into that module there. So if we just again click onto manage and then edit content here, now what this does is this will display a default rich text editor, and this works in a very similar way to using Microsoft Word, let's say. So you've got your toolbar at the top here. There's always a bit of default content here. Let's just strip that out. Okay, and let's just say something like hello. Now we can do various things with this. We can change the font size, the color, the background, exactly the same sort of thing that you'd expect from using Microsoft Word. We could also bold it, italicize and underline. We can also add links to this content by using a standard hyperlink manager here. So we can insert a URL here for the website we wish to link this particular text to. But right now let's just put in some standard text, and let's save that. So here we go. Here's my new module with some content. I'm going to add another module onto the page just to be really cool. Again, let's just select a standard HTML module and let's call it something else. Let's keep it on same as page in terms of visibility. Now let's put this on the bottom pane, okay, and let's stick it at the top of the bottom pane. Add that module in there, and here we go. We've got our two modules side by side. If we just toggle to layout mode, we can see that we've placed these particular modules at the top of the content pane here. At the top of the bottom pane we've got the left pane and the right pane to choose from. The social media pane is up here. Let's just go back to our edit mode there and let's put some content. So manage, edit content into this second module that we inserted. Yeah, there you go. And let's give it a bit of a different colour there. Okay, let's save that. And there we go. Okay, so that is very simply adding the modules to your page and adding some very basic content to those modules. In the next video we'll look at adding images to your content. I hope you enjoyed watching this video on DotNetNuke. For any additional information, please contact Silverbear at www.silverbear.com. Thanks for watching.